So I am going to make, what I'm doing today is I'm making crema, because we're going to make some elote. Now crema is kind of a slightly soured Mexican cream. It's not unlike the creme fraiche. Now what I'm doing is I'm mixing Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, with heavy cream. Traditionally, the quick method for doing this is to use sour cream or even mayonnaise, but those are far too much fat in those, even with all this cream that I'm adding to it. And what's great about the Greek yogurt is that it's already been strained of all its wateriness, so adding the cream to it, as you can see, it's just turning into this really smooth. There we go. There we go. A bit more. It's crazy how it's absorbing all of this. Right, at this point I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here. Okay, perfect. Now you don't have to, this is kind of optional, but when I do this I like to just put a little squeeze of lime into it. Okay, tiny bit more salt. That's it, crema.